It's Abhi here. Welcome to the Automated Commissions Reloaded review. I got access to the members area here, and this is the sales page. So this is a program that teaches you affiliate marketing with a very simple system. Okay. So this is what sales page says. Why are so many affiliate gurus completely pissed off with this guy's system? Because he's just made all the expensive complex systems completely redundant. That's kind of true, right? Now, before I dive into the training, let's take a look at the vendor profile on Warrior Plus. So this is Benjamin Fletcher. He normally launches products on Warrior Plus, but this time automated commission system is hosted on JVZoo. Okay, so if you see this on Warrior Plus, this guy's product is actually highly rated. This vendor has a rating of about 4.5, and if you see here, he actually launched automated commission system, the PDF version, last year, and it got a very high rating. And this time he even made it simpler and launched as a complete video course where you can watch. This is the intro, step 1. Then you click on it, it will open up in a new tab. So if I click on it, it opens up a new window and you will see the introduction video here, right? So if you click on this button here, it will take you to the new tab. Now I cannot exactly show you the training in full, but I can just give you an overview. So if I just go back here, all right, and you will see you will have all the main training here. So there are multiple videos in this module, and then you get taken to step 4, that is paid traffic, and this is where he gets traffic. And then step number 5, he talks about free traffic. Actually, he does not talk about free traffic himself, but Kevin does. Kevin Fahey, another trusted, reputed vendor from Warrior Plus, actually talks about free traffic, and it doesn't go deep here, okay? And that's where my bonuses come in. It will actually help you simplify this system, okay? So just stay tuned for that. And then he gives you bonus 6-figure ad swipe file. So if you do ads, then you can use this. Then affiliate mindset. This is a whole module on mindset, and then super affiliate list building and his own AI assistant. This is a big deal. He gives you his custom GPTs that you can use on the free version of ChatGPT, get email sequences returned, all based on his very high converting swipes and training. Okay, and then there is super affiliates toolbox, and if you want support, here's the support. Okay, now basically what is the automated commission system, right? In simple terms, it is a complete blueprint designed to help you build a real affiliate marketing business without the usual hype and complexity. I agree. I was a training. It's extremely simple, and it was created by Ben Fletcher, as you saw, very reputed, very highly rated vendor. So you get a simple proven system, powerful AI automation, and commission funnel framework. Now I need to talk about my bonuses really, and I will talk about the upsells in the later part. But about the bonuses, right? This is going to be a game changer. So the bonus number 1 is my automated affiliate blueprint. I sell it for $14.95. So this is my complete affiliate marketing guide, and this one actually complements the ACS, that is affiliate commission system reloaded system. The whole training that you watch here is actually very well described inside here. I built a whole funnel. I built everything from building landing pages to the traffic to emails, everything here. Okay, so bonus number 2 is the 1-hour funnel video tutorial. Now, this is a game changer. This is my custom bonus video. So a simple over the shoulder video where you will see me build a funnel, a similar funnel taught in the automated commission system reloaded for a high converting offer from start to finish. And I will give that funnel away to you so that you can get started right away. Very valuable. Okay, bonus number 3 is the 24-hour traffic starter guide. So a funnel is useless without the right kind of traffic, right? Forget bots, tire kickers. In this guide, I will share my unique Facebook method for finding and attracting proven buyers to your new funnel. I do this all the time. I attract highly targeted leads and sales from here. So I'm going to give that away. And bonus number 4 will be the affiliates black book of vetted offer. So, there are in platforms like Warrior Plus and JVZoo, there are like a crap load of, crap offers. So to solve that, I have compiled my personal list of affiliate offers. Actually, there is like 5, 7 or 8 affiliate offers, and I will keep adding to it that I have personally vetted and can endorse. So these are high quality, high converting products with reputable vendors. So you can start promoting with confidence right away. Okay. And bonus number 5 is my private affiliate inner circle Facebook community. I'm starting this brand new. Okay. So you're not just getting a course here and some guides. You're getting ongoing support. You will receive an exclusive invitation to join my private Facebook community for members only. So there will not be many members in there, like few, 4, 5, 10 members. That's basically private access to me. Look, I do do affiliate marketing and I can help with the ACS system and affiliate marketing in general. And you can ask me questions inside this Facebook community. Now, I actually have an additional funnel for the upsell buyer. So you can buy any upsell. I will talk about upsell in a minute. So any upsell, any OTO, you will get my $0 to $100 per day from scratch detailed affiliate marketing case study. And if you click this link here, you will see my, my sales page for this. I sell this for $37. So here, from scratch, I start to pick an offer. I create the landing pages, creating bonuses, create emails, generate traffic, generate free traffic, and I actually show you get results and make $100 per day. This is a complete over-the-shoulder case study without any fluff at all. And now here with automated commission system, so let me just go to the sales page. If you go below for the pricing, right, you will see two pricing. So this is $17.97. This is the normal pricing, and this is bundle pricing that is $297. So if I go about, I actually have one more bonus, but I will talk about after the upsell because it's very special. So here are the upsells, right? So when you actually purchase that for $17, this if you go and click on this button, this normal $17 button here, you will be getting an order bump for commission bully. Right, it's his personal playbook for competing with top affiliates and winning contest prizes and such. I actually written down everything about the upsells. So underground traffic systems, partner and bank, affiliate all access, move the needle coaching. So these are all the upsells. And if you were to buy the front end and buy all the upsells, it will cost you more than $400. But if you actually want to get all the access to all of these upsells for one price, then that would be $297. So instead of paying $402, you will be getting you will be getting all of these upsells for $297 here. So that's why if you get the bundle, you get my special bonuses. And what is it? It will be early access to my buyer wave course. So it's an exclusive free early bird access to my entire upcoming course on the traffic strategy. I'm not sure why it says your, but my upcoming course on this traffic strategy. This is a buyer strategy that I use day in, day out to get consistent traffic and commissions. It's not finished yet. I'm halfway through this and I will give you access to this in a week time. So everything you need to be able to make a successful affiliate marketing business will be in here. And plus, I will also give you a $3,000 buyer wave double case study. So in this video, I will show you how I have generated over $3,000 in commissions from these buyer wave campaigns, from this buyer wave method. So this is not a theory, this is practical. I did this and I will be showing you everything from scratch. So you get access to these two insane bonuses, actually insane bonuses. I believe it's more valuable than this automated commission system here. If you follow this, you can't go wrong. This is not push button, of course. This is not get rich quick thing. You need to put in effort, but this works. I do this and I can actually help you, implement this. So yeah, if you actually go ahead and get the bundle deal, then you qualify for this thing here. Otherwise, you will all get all these bonuses, and yeah, you will get all the bonuses, by the way, right? You are not just getting this thing, you are also getting all the other bonuses with the bundle deal. So normally with just the front end, you will get all this bonus 5. I believe this is insane value enough. And with any upsell, and talking about upsell, I need to actually recommend you something, a good one, right? So you can skip this, right? Upgrade number 1, underground traffic system. This kind of fits the bill, right? He doesn't talk about a lot about traffic in there. So yeah, you can get this upsell, or you can get partner and bank, where you get actually reseller rights to his few products that you can get 100% commissions for, right? And then there is affiliate all access pass. So you get a collection of 5 of Ben's other best-selling training programs. So that's great. And then there is move the needle coaching. I can highly recommend this one because you get 6 full weeks of direct unlimited email coaching from Ben Fletcher himself. You can ask him questions via email. There is no restrictions. So yeah, I can actually recommend you that. But if you actually want to want all of that and save more than $100, then just get the bundle package. You get all of it, okay? And you get the best of my bonuses here, okay? So, and final thing that I have to talk about, that he is giving you a 365 day, a full year, full confidence guarantee. It's for serious people. Okay, so if you just buy, if you watch and then ask for a refund, you will not get it. If you watch, if you apply the strategy and still not getting results, then you will be able to get back your money. So only pick this up if you actually want to implement this very simple affiliate marketing strategy that I use, that I will help you to via Facebook group. So yeah, that's that. So you have literally nothing to lose here. Okay, and you can actually access my bonuses by you will actually see the receipt page after you purchase. So you will see this affiliate bonus thing, and here will be a button. Just click on it and you will be able to access my bonuses. And for this private bonuses, you will actually need to email me, but all the instructions will be in that Google Doc where I will deliver your bonus. Okay, and this video is my old review video. I will actually replace this current video in this space here. So yeah guys, get automated commission system reloaded. You're getting so much value. The vendor is reputed, and you're getting my help, my Facebook community, my access to me really. And I'm not even counting the vendor bonuses that you're getting. So yeah, brother, click on that link in the description, get it, get the front end or the bundle, whatever that you want, and claim all these bonuses. And I will see you inside. Cheers.